If you are facing this kind of problem in your Samsung mobile, warning, unplug charger immediately and you are not able to charge your phone. How can you fix this problem and what are the reasons of this problem? So from here you can see you have received this warning when you try to plug your phone to the charger. We have detected moisture or foreign material in your charging or USB port. So the reason is that there is some kind of foreign material or water in your mobile's charging port, so you should not charge your phone. So the moisture detection sensor will give you this warning to keep your phone safe from the damage to its charging port. So firstly you will need to switch off your phone and don't try to plug it back until the charging port is completely dry. Most of the time it's water in your mobile's charging port or moisture because of humidity. So make sure that your charging port is clean. For that you can use a fan or dryer, but use only cool air to dry your mobile's charging port. And you can also try shaking your phone gently to let the moisture get out. So you have to do that really gently, and this process of drying out your phone can take a while. So if your mobile's charging port is dry and you are still facing this problem, go to the settings and then go to the apps option, and from here select show system apps and then search USB settings and then go to the storage option, and from here clear cache of USB settings from here. Then restart your phone and your problem should be fixed. So you have to make sure that your charging port is clean and dry before you try to charge your phone. And if you want to charge it really quickly, you can use wireless charging to charge your phone. And if your problem is still not fixed after you have completely dried your mobile charging port, you should take it to the service center to fix it.